Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to put any Instagram post on your story. You can do it on your own post or on other people's posts. It's very simple and easy, so let's get started. First we need to open Instagram. Here let's open our profile and now select a post, for example this one. Here we tap on the paper airplane at the bottom of any post and here we select add post to your story. Now you can edit the post whatever you want, just like you do on normal story, and then tap on your story. Let's discard this and now let's open our home feed. Here there's a random post. We tap the same thing, the paper airplane, and do the same thing, add reel to your story. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.